Today, we're diving into the Sony Xperia VII, a smartphone that promises to push the boundaries of technology and user experience. This flagship device brings together cutting-edge features, premium design, and a remarkable blend of Sony's legacy in photography, audio, and display technology. Let's take a deep dive into what makes the Xperia VII stand out. Design and build quality. The Sony Xperia VII is built to impress with its premium materials and sleek design. It measures 162 by 74 by 8.2 millimeters and weighs 197 grams, providing a substantial yet comfortable feel in the hand. The device features a glass front and back, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, paired with a sturdy aluminum frame. It's built to withstand the elements, with an IP65/IP68 rating, ensuring it's dust-tight and water-resistant. This allows you to submerge the device in water up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes without worry. Display. When it comes to the display, the Xperia VII takes full advantage of Sony's Bravia technology, offering a 6.5-inch LTPO OLED screen with 1 billion colors and HDR support. With a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, the 120 Hz refresh rate ensures fluid motion whether you're gaming or browsing. The addition of a rear light illuminance sensor and automatic color adjustment enhances visibility in bright environments, making the screen clearer even in sunlight. It's the brightest Xperia display ever, ensuring vibrant visuals in any situation. Performance. Powerhouse chipset. The Xperia VII is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, built on the latest 3nm technology. With an octa-core processor and a GPU that handles demanding tasks with ease, the Xperia VII offers top-tier performance for gaming, multitasking, and media consumption. This smartphone comes with 12 GB of RAM and offers two storage variants, 256 GB and 512 GB, ensuring you have ample space for your apps, games, and media. The use of UFS 4.0 storage technology ensures faster read and write speeds, enhancing overall device responsiveness. Camera system. The camera system on the Xperia VII is truly exceptional, powered by Alpha, Sony's expertise in camera technology. The triple camera setup includes a 48MP wide sensor with dual pixel PDF and OIS, a 12MP telephoto lens with up to 7.1x optical zoom, and a 48MP ultrawide sensor. These sensors work together to capture stunning photos in all conditions, from low light to bright daylight. The camera system also supports 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second, allowing you to create professional-grade content with ease. The inclusion of AI-powered features, such as human pose estimation and auto-framing, makes it even easier to shoot perfectly framed, smooth videos, bringing a level of precision usually reserved for high-end cameras. Sound. Audio enthusiasts will be thrilled with the Xperia VII's sound capabilities. In collaboration with Walkman engineers, Sony has integrated a high-performance audio circuit that delivers exceptional sound quality. Whether you're listening through wired headphones or using the device's stereo speakers, you'll experience clear, precise sound with incredible resolution. The Xperia VII supports 24-bit/192 kHz high-res audio and wireless high-res sound, ensuring that your music is heard with stunning clarity. Battery and charging. The Xperia VII houses a 5,000 mAh battery, providing all-day usage, even with heavy use. It supports 30W fast charging, offering a 50% charge in just 30 minutes. For wireless charging, you have the option of 15W wireless charging, with the added benefit of reverse wireless charging to power up other devices. This robust battery and charging system ensure that your phone is always ready to go when you need it most. New features and innovations. Sony continues to innovate with the Xperia VII, introducing features like AI-driven video creation tools, native Sony Alpha camera support, and advanced display technology. The AI technology within the Xperia 1.7 makes it easier than ever to capture professional-level content, with real-time enhancements to video and photo quality. Additionally, the device offers full 5G connectivity, ensuring that you can enjoy fast download and upload speeds no matter where you are. What sets it apart? The Xperia 1.7 is truly a device for the content creator and audiophile. With its unique combination of Sony's alpha camera technology, superior audio capabilities, and Bravia display technology, the Xperia 1.7 is unlike any other smartphone on the market. Its ability to deliver exceptional photo and video quality, combined with its immersive sound experience, makes it the ideal device for those who demand the best in multimedia performance. Final thoughts. The Sony Xperia 1.7 stands as a testament to Sony's commitment to innovation. With its unparalleled camera system, stunning display, and high-quality audio features, it delivers a premium experience for users who appreciate fine craftsmanship. Whether you're capturing breathtaking photos, creating stunning videos, or enjoying immersive audio, the Xperia 1.7 excels across the board. It's a device designed for those who demand the best in performance, photography, and entertainment.